y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Tasia Majel, and today we are installing clip-ins for the very first time. I would have never tried clip-ins. I would have never thought to try clip-ins, but it happened today. This video is sponsored by Curlsqueen. They sent me 24 inches of their seamless kinky straight clip-ins. It was honestly soft, shiny, and pretty straight out of the package. For it to be only 24 inches, it was long, okay? It went all the way down to my butt. It was giving 30 inch. It came with a brush, a bonnet, some extra clips. I'm gonna show you guys how many wefts I received. When I tell you all this hair together is so thick, starting off with the 5 clip wefts, the 4 clip wefts, the 3 clip wefts, and then there's 4 2 clip wefts. Trying to say that and be in country? Lord. This is the bonnet and the extra clips I was telling you about. Now I had to go blow dry and straighten my hair. This is the straightest my hair got. I was like, maybe I did it wrong. But anyway, I'm not about to heat damage my hair for nobody, because last time I straightened my hair, I got heat damage, so now I'm afraid. I was absolutely struggling with getting the straight part, but the clip-ins still made it in my head. If y'all can do this and record, then let me know. Yeah. I'm gonna take the 5 clip-ins and put it in the back of my head. Now, is this the right one I'm supposed to put? I didn't know. I was like, instructions? I never follow instructions. I'm gonna do what I want. Mind you though, it didn't come with instructions, so I was genuinely confused. I do feel like the company should put instructions, because if you're a beginner, you're not gonna know what to do. Like, y'all know me and wigs, like, we locked in. So I didn't really know much about how to install clip-ins. I didn't know that some people use clip-ins like a sew-in. I thought that was really cool. Some people braid the back of their hair and only leave the top part. I was like, maybe I should have did that. I went on Pinterest and I found a head map, and I was like, this is the perfect guide. So I'm gonna show you guys the head map. This is what I think you should use. I did my best though, guys, so give me credit, yeah. I don't have much to say. I'm gonna let the music play. I'll see you at the end of the video so I can talk more about the hair.
When I'm with you, how can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey. Sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is fast.
This was the last piece for me, and I was so excited. It actually looked really good. I liked it. The hair was really soft. I had to brush it all together, help it blend better. Once I brushed it all together, I was like, I'm gonna add curls to it because my natural hair is thick already. It wasn't getting any straighter than that. So I said, let's curl it, girl. My natural hair is black, and the clip-ins I received were brownish. My hair's not jet black, but it's black, and it still blended nicely with it. Overall, I enjoyed the clip-ins. I feel like everyone should invest in some clip-ins, especially if you want to elevate your natural hair. This is a great investment, and for it to be my first time, I feel like I ate.
Got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I f your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all the questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews.
I the first half of the hair curled and it came out so cute. I was like, okay, I love this. And this is only 24 inches curled. Y'all know, the people who know. This hair is long and I really liked it. It was so cute. But yeah, I'm going to finish curling up the rest of the hair and then you guys are going to see what it looked like in the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Everything you need to know will be down in the description. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.
I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah. Whoa. Girl, I know you feel me. Yeah. Oh, so much to live for, true, babe.